Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we are not a buy or sell channel. Okay, let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, you're on the wrong stream straight up, okay? But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, I hope you guys are having a good day. We're headed into the weekend. Today is Friday. Let's please be extra careful today. Okay, I personally, I'm not feeling too well today, you guys, so I'm not going to be taking any trades at all. I didn't want to come for the session, but I thought it was on the schedule, so I was like, I might as well just do it. But I'm not going to be taking any trades at all. All right. um, if 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 you don't feel well or psychologically your mood is affected, anything of that sort, it's always good to just stay away from these markets because that can really start to become um, a recipe to disaster. Okay, so I have things charted up for you guys, but I personally am not going to be taking any sort of trades. Give out Sukram and thanks for coming. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you. Good morning, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? There is going to be a news release that that'll be out after market open. Okay, so we may or may not have some volatility. It's a Friday. You guys know what Fridays are known for. All right, Fridays are known for um, taking back all the profits that you've made over the week. So you don't want to fall into that trap. Look at how bullish um, the dirty has been. Okay, extremely bullish on the dirty. I have a really key break of structure down here. Okay, but because I've been monitoring how, sorry guys, because I've been monitoring how bullish this is, that's why I'm looking at our first entry coming at that 15-minute support. Okay, and it's time we start pushing down. Look at the RSI. Okay, look at that one-on-ones. What are we seeing on the RSI? People that have gone through session 3, you guys know what it is. I'm gonna open up the chat, but this is extremely clear. Okay, I'm gonna check the chat. Let me know what we're seeing on the dirty right now. Divergence, bearish divergence, good. Profit takers, yes. Yes, very clear bearish divergence, okay? Price is in an uptrend, the RSI is in a downtrend, and even though the buyers they still have the momentum, but the strength indicator is indicating to us that they have come, that they may start to get exhausted, and the sellers should at some point kick in, okay? What plans do you guys have for the weekends, man? How's your weekend looking? I can't wait to sleep, you guys. Seriously, I can't wait to sleep through the weekend. I feel exhausted. Oh man. Nolan's the man, man. It's gotta be good. Yeah, it's next week. Okay. Extremely slow as of right now. Um, Not too much happening. Maybe Nasdaq starts to drop, okay, and then maybe we could do something like that. Okay, it's about a 20 pip. It's not bad. It's about a 20 pip move, okay. Any advice to beginners? Get on a demo account first. Practice on a demo till you feel confident. Give yourself a couple of weeks, give yourself a couple of months, give yourself a couple of years, whatever it takes, because everyone's trading journey is different. But you want to practice price action on a demo first, because what we teach you guys over here is just pure price action. There's no strategy, there's nothing of that sort. It's just we break down these candles and we trade them zone to zone. We pretty much just decipher the language of these candles. So it's something that definitely has a learning curve. We have a private mentorship program. Even on that, you can ask the people on here. There are a lot of them on here. I get all of them to start on a demo account first, because that's what's most important. Okay. I want to watch Barbie too. Oh man, Cash isn't here right now, so I can say, but I fucking love Margot Robbie. If she was here, I'd get a freaking smack on my head right now. So guys, sorry, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. I'm just a little sick, you guys. Had couldn't really get enough sleep last night. I'm good though. Thank you. See a lot of Barbie lovers over here. Yeah, Margot is. She's a really good actor, though. I'm not gonna lie. She's a really, really good actor. And the way she looks is just a cherry on the cake. Okay. Oh yeah, of course, buddy. Oh yes. Mhm. Mhm. I love it. I love it. That was one hell of a film, though, man. Wolf of Wall Street. I freaking love Leo. I feel like growing up, he was the reason I even wanted to become an actor. Him and Shah Rukh Khan for the Indians. Yeah, but both of these men were the reason that I wanted to get into film since I was a kid. Okay, let's see. The dirty is finally getting some momentum pushed down. Now, what is this? These three consecutive red candles. What does this tell me? This tells me that we have some supply that's built right here. Okay, so we had some sellers and their orders that got triggered from here. So let's mark that up in case we want to start pushing this. Then maybe we could go back into buys. But again, I'm not trading today, but if I were trading, I wouldn't be buying this. I really wouldn't. I mean, ask yourself, would you be want to buying this market? If the answer is yes, you're either a really, really, really good trader or a really bad one. It's one of the two, all right? And your entries and exits will decide whether it's a good move or a bad move. But a very advanced trader will be able to trade this, yes. An absolute beginner will think they'll be able to trade this, but they won't. But yeah, it is what it is, okay? Just be careful. I will buy the top. Awesome, good. Gold's taking support. Yeah. Gold's just ranging right now, guys. There's nothing happening. Gold's ranging, maybe making a little bit of a bearish flag. I'm seeing potential formation of a pennant as well. Yeah. Okay. we're holding at that 9. Now one of two things will happen, right? Either we get rejected from this 9 and we plummet, or we pick up support, break the 200, and we rock it. Okay, one of the two. So we've got good structure sitting on both sides of here. US dropping. Highest payout ever? Are you asking me that, buddy? Listen, you guys, y'all just take value from what we give y'all. Our lots, our payouts, our accounts are our personal information. Um, and you guys have nothing to do with that, okay? So just let it be. This is market open. Okay? Look at that. Nice move on the dirty. I understand that it's quick, okay, but it's the perfect setup. It really is. Look at that. Beautiful break, retest, rejection. If this was too quick for you to get in on, it's okay. You just wait and watch, alright? They've broken past the supply. Let's get rid of that. Alright? I'd recommend you guys to wait. Wait for the first candle to close. Wait for it to do something. Gold didn't do anything. Yet. US 30 was a mover. That was a good one. That was a good one. I like it. Very, very clean. And trust me, guys, if they break this, okay, just letting you guys know, if they break that region right now, we're pushing, we're tanking down, okay? I'm telling y'all, maybe this is the time to be trigger finger. I'm not getting in on anything myself, but if we break this and we do it with volume, we're pushing down. Coming at least there, okay? Oof. It's one of those days, man. Look at these. They're the complete opposites today. Complete inverse relationship. Um, crazy, crazy. Okay. I know you probably didn't get the chance to use the entry exit strategy here because it was the market open candle. But that's a nice 33 pip move on confirmation. Literally, wow. Look at nasty. Freaking rocketing, and there you go. They're getting a dirty wick on the dirty. Alright, so let's get ready just in case. Again, I don't recommend that, but I know some aggressive traders here that'll be able to do this and do it the right way. 20 pips. Good on you, buddy. Okay, wait for the candle to close now. Wait for the first candle to close. Maybe we have another retest and we start a push down. Wait for the second candle to close, or this first candle to close. We have a retest and then we can push up. Okay. Fear to trade. Trust me, bro. If you stayed out of the market today, realizing that you were scared to trade, that's target achieved for the day. I'm not gonna lie. It's the hardest thing to not trade when you're angsty to trade. You know, as a professional trader, you need to realize what's a good setup, what's a good day, what's the mindset like, what are the markets like. You need to understand um, if you need to even get on a trade, and to stop yourself from not getting on a trade is a very, very, very big thing. So kudos to you, man. Excuse me, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna get myself a quick refill of my coffee. Okay, give me a second. Watch the markets. I'll be back in like 30 seconds. Okay. Watch the markets. Didi? Didi? What are you doing? Session on the. कॉफी बनाने के लिए go to mama, go. Babe, is this seriously fungus? Is that seriously fungus? किन चीजों पे? अच्छा कोई सेशन All right, I'm back, guys. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Is anyone in on anything? I had to take a call. What did I miss? Did Cram make his money? You didn't miss nothing, bro. It's all good. I actually, believe it or not, I haven't taken no trades today. Nothing at all. In demo account, still trying to learn. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. That's the way to go, okay? Always start with a demo. Okay, I expect a retest. If we start to get rejected from here, this is pushing back down. And if we start to break that, we're pushing back up. Okay, let's look at the EMAs. Extremely far. If we don't break this high, we're going to come back down to test the daily resistance or about half this candle. Okay, but if we break this daily high now, we're pushing. And if we break through this demand, we're falling on the 30. Okay, and looks like gold is gearing up for the buys. Looks decent. Let's throw on an alert on gold for the buys for you guys, okay? And maybe boop, boop, boop. So what we're looking on gold will be something like this. Oh, okay. What about gold? I just told you. That's gold. Okay. Nice rejection. Um, that's what I thought. That rejection's kicking in from the EMA. This could have been a nice feeler entry, okay, from that rejection when you saw it testing out the 15-minute support and it getting rejected, 15-minute resistance, and it getting rejected. Nice little retest, okay. And if we happen to break this region, you could have gotten in with your the ones who know the entry exit strategy. Even if you didn't use the second candle, you could have used this as your feeder, Corolla, and most likely a Lambo if we break this demand, okay. But this candle, if you would have gotten on the break, you should be up by about 10 pips now, and you should have realized your profits. Okay, it is a Friday. What do y'all think? Do y'all think US 30 is gonna drop? What are we thinking, guys? Do you think we're gonna be bearish on the 30? You missed the Nasdaq move and the US 30 move. Nasdaq's super bullish. Look at that. Who's in on Nasdaq? Who's in on Nasdaq? Okay, I do regret maybe not getting in, looking at how perfect these setups are today. But it's fine. I'm not trading, but you guys are. Alright, Cash isn't trading today either. We've been working since morning and I've been sick, so she's also been taking care of me. But yeah, we're not trading today. Okay, we've had a lovely week and we just want the day off from these markets. No, they know you are out now also. Cram, do you think US 100 and US 30 are still correlated and gold? Fuck, look at Nasdaq, guys. Anyone still in on those buys? Look at Nasdaq. How many of you guys are still in on the buys? Christ, I'm in on US 30. Careful, man. This is starting to go bullish now. It seems like they're picking up buyers from here. Are you guys in buys or sells for US 30? Okay, because we haven't gotten a Lambo confirmation as yet. Just letting you guys know. So if you're in on small positions, that's fine. But it's a Friday and these markets are going super bullish right now. Alright, please, please, if you're in a feeler, you'll need to understand that this can now start to pick it up, right? Because this is demand, and demand is where we have buyers, right? We'll push down if we break this area. If we happen to break this, that's when we'll go back down to the demand zone. Nasty's beautiful today, man. Look at Nasty. A very, very clean setup. Very clean setup. There you go. They're picking back up. Let's see. I hope for you guys this happens to break and creates a lower low, okay? Because if we happen to break this hourly support, you guys are going to make some serious money. Okay. Gold rejected. Those are the two possibilities on gold, okay? This and this. Zoe, stop. Gold's getting rejected from the EMA. Okay. Yeah. He'll be coming back down. I don't think gold's going to give us a move right now. It's probably going to be the early swap. Looks like we want to come back down and test our demand and then maybe potentially push up. DXY is heading into good demand. Okay. Let's hope so. If the DXY is heading into demand. But that's the thing. Did you guys see gold yesterday? I'm not sure. I can't remember if it was on the stream, but I was also trading off the stream yesterday. Trying to make a couple of just small moves. I was testing some stuff out. And I wish I would have pointed it out on the stream for you guys yesterday. But literally, yesterday was the perfect example of how the gold and DXY are not always correlated. Are not always inversely related, my bad. Yesterday they were correlated. Literally, right? The dollar was pushing, gold was pushing. The dollar was dropping, gold was dropping. So it was just one of those things. Yeah, it's always good to keep that in mind and sort of try to see if there's a correlation and then use that to your advantage. But never bank on that, because that's not gonna be the best thing for you. You know what I mean? Ugh, I want these sells to kick in so bad, man. I want these sells to kick in. This is not a good market to trade. I hope you guys that are in on this are only in on feeler, straight up, okay? Not good, not good, not good at all. All we need to do is we need to break this. There you go, finally. I think Millzone just said a prayer and it's being answered. Come on, let's break down, okay? For you guys, let's break through this demand. Okay, and where should your stop loss be for the sells? Up there, at your supply. Okay, I just want to take a look at the 15s. Alright, alright. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, as long as we break this, it looks good. I'm going to switch this guy up. Let's bring this here. Okay. Now let's hold below this. As long as we hold below this, we could be making some money. Anushka Singh, look at gold. Yeah. Extremely choppy. That's what gold is right now. Extremely Vicky. And Let's see if the buys want to kick in. Okay. Dirty starting to look good. It's definitely starting to look good. So what the fuck was that? Okay. Come on. For you guys, let's get it. Let's get it. There you go. Start to tank. Gold's pushing up. Impulse. I'm gonna stick with this right now, you guys, because I know we have some people in on the US 30. And let's see, alright? Let's see if they pick up buyers from that demand or if they're gonna start to break below it. Let's take a look at gold. Still nothing on gold. It's only an impulse. Okay, you want the candle to at least close there. Nothing on gold so far. If you're in on gold right now, it should be with the feeler position, small position. Nothing big, no Lambos, nothing fancy. It is a Friday, and you need to keep that in mind. Okay, they need to respect this level. As long as we're respecting this level, you guys are still safe in the cells, okay? But if we start to respect this, you want to make sure 100% that we're respecting this zone. If we don't respect this zone, it's starting to push back up. Alright, so just keep an eye on that. The ones trading the dirty. Let's look at gold. We have about 2 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Friday should be declared no Lambo day for all of us. I agree. Sorry about that. I agree, guys. I have some, well, they're not my friends, but some acquaintances. They are Wall Street traders, and they trade three times a week, literally midweek, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. One trade a day, and that's it. No Mondays, no Fridays. They're just away from the chop because they don't believe it's worth it when price action is not respected. Today's relatively clean. We are respecting TA today. Okay, we're testing out this area now. Okay, we're gonna test our entry point. Okay, now if you guys are in a drawdown, it is a Friday. Okay, I hope you're not over leveraging your accounts. Based off of price action, this market should sell, and it should do it now. But it is a Friday and it's being manipulated, so please be careful. Okay. Yeah, US 30 is not being nice though right now. US 30 is not being nice. Look at that, straight up. I guess the EMA is also sitting here, isn't it? Yep. Okay. That's our last hope, you guys. Alright? They want to respect that EMA. Otherwise, it could be done for the cells. Okay. Gold, 25 seconds. This is what you're looking for on gold. All right, remember, this is what you're looking for on gold. Let's see if it gives it to us in the next 15 minutes. Nice bullish momentum on gold, you guys. I like the last 30 seconds pushing up. Retest. I think a little more retest. No, rejection. Break a structure. Little resistance to the left. We'll break past that, and I think the wick fill up there looks good. Alright, so it looks like we could hit TP. Come on, gold. Okay. Small ray of hope, but it's still there. Okay, they're still trying to respect price action. This is just a freaking manipulated market. Okay, that's all it is. Let's see. Let's see if they wanna hold on to this. I feel like now the next 9. I think we have news in the next 9 minutes, if I'm not wrong, and that's gonna be the deciding factor of what's really gonna happen with this move. Okay, there you go. That's your retest. Like I said, expect. So what I like to do at this time is we switch supply to demand. Okay, that red box becomes a green box. Is anyone in on gold? Anyone in gold right now? Okay, good, good. Set it to BE. Just letting you guys know, if you're up by a couple of pips, set it to BE. It's not worth risking drawdown for nothing today, okay? Come on, let's get that push on gold though. I like the push on gold. Let's get that wick fill. Let's get that wick fill. Okay, that's what we should be aiming for. That's what the markets should be doing right now. So let's get that momentum in and let's just push it to the upside. Let's do it.
Are you all trading today?
Hmm?
Why are you all trading today?
I'm not trading. I didn't take any trades today. I told them to.
Everything looks trouble.
Yeah.
The Nasdaq.
Nasdaq's just going bullish. That's all it's doing. It's literally all it's doing.
That's why the
It
Nasdaq.
created a flag and then it broke
Now
past
it's pushing.
pre-market,
Higher
pre-open.
time frame is breaking the structures.
Yep. No volume, you guys. There's just not enough volume to do this right now. It is going to give you the wick fill, but it's we need volume in these markets. You know, this is what Trading Fridays is like. All right, 1:13 to go. A minute to go. Let's see. On gold, okay. You know, just the one-on-ones for you guys, okay? You know what would have been my ideal entry over here? You remember when this second candle opened up, it came down just a little bit and it started to push up, right? I told you guys expect a retest. I know a lot of y'all would have gotten in on your Lambos over here, but just a tip for the next time. When the setup starts to look this perfect, maybe you could enter in on your, like, my ideal Lambo entry over here would be this retest. You know what I'm saying? So I would give myself the closest chance to enter to the entry, to get in from the entry point. You know what I mean? And if I would have done that, because I flipped supply to demand, I would expect a retest of the demand and try to catch my Lambo at the closest point. I hope one-on-ones you guys know what I mean. If not, bring it up whenever we have our session and I'll explain it to you guys further. Okay, but this, um, if you had to get in over here and you were in on BE, you'd still be in on this trade. Got in just there? Good, good, good zero. Alright, we need to realize, guys, we have to be versatile as traders, okay? As professional traders, it's never going to be textbook. You know what I'm saying? We have to adjust and we have to. It's a game of probability, right? So we have to bring the odds in our favor. How do we do that? By finding the best entry points closest to our BOS. Okay. One of two things would have happened, right? Either you never got the retest at all, and it started to push. But always just assume, okay? It's always healthy to assume that when you break demand, when you break supply, you're going to retest it as demand. And when you break demand, you're going to retest it as supply. You know, so even if it momentarily starts to pop a little bit, you may start to see it get rejected. And when that happens, just expect supply to switch to demand and vice versa. Did someone just annotate on my screen again? Christ, you guys, this is so freaking annoying.
Rahul told me to probably.
Yeah, Rahul sent you something, right?
Yeah.
Let's get that done, babe. Just gonna disable annotate, guys. Give me a second.
I think they're not doing it on purpose. It just happened.
It can't just happen, baby. You have to select annotate to actually annotate on the screen.
But why would anyone do that?
Okay. I don't see any sort of moves coming in for the next 3 minutes. All right. So if y'all are in on positions, make sure y'all are either in on break-even positions. So is it better to enter on the break of structure for the Lambo or the retest? Ideally, that's the thing, man. It's different for every trade. It's different for every setup. But just based off of the entry exit strategy, the break of structure would be a good entry for your Lambo. But again, it's more advanced to get in on the retest. So the way we do it is we usually start with break of structure. Once you start picking that up, you start understanding the movement of these candles. You start understanding supply and demand, and then you can, up the game and even start looking at retests. But there's never a textbook way of doing it, buddy. There's never a textbook way of doing it. It's always going to be different. Setups have different parameters. Good lord, look at the dirty. All right, I hope you guys either got out at BE on this or made whatever you had to. But yeah, they're now going bullish. Okay. I doubt they're going to be able to break this. I highly doubt that. I feel like this is going to be one last liquidity grab for news, and then we're going to start to push down. That's what I believe. If I were trading today, I would be in on a feeler right here for the sells. If I was trading today, okay, but I'm not. But yeah, getting on a feeler over here, you should already be up by about 20 pips. Gold. Okay. The attempts on gold are on. Let's see if we get the movement. It's just there's no volume to them. 2 minutes to news, 1 minute to news. Thank you, Tusu. Okay. What do you guys want me to have up for news? Are we looking at the indices or are we looking at gold? Real quick, guys. We have about 30 seconds. Do we have more people invested on the indices right now or more people on gold? Gold. Okay, gold it is. Guys, if you are in on this right now, set a freaking either a break-even stop loss or have a stop loss that's going to be here below this demand zone, so maybe somewhere in this region. Okay, just letting you guys know. I'm not expecting a massive pop, but just in case it happens, make sure you've manually set your stop loss. All right, news in 5 seconds. See what I mean? This is exactly why I told you guys, set your stop losses. Fucking dirty, man. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Okay, dirty starting to look good again. Christ. Christ. Horrible markets today. Please tell me you guys set your stop losses, okay? Holy shit. Ugly markets today. Very, very ugly markets today. BE, good. BE is good, buddy. Guys, don't be trading this shop, man. Screw it. We've had a great week. This... what's... y'all know me. I enjoy candles. I really do. But when I see this sort of movement, and we usually see this sort of movement on Fridays and Mondays, this is what we call chop. Alright, choppy markets, that's what we call them, and it's basically just rangy markets, wicky markets, where price action is respected, but it's usually only in between these zones. Alright, now gold's pushing bearish. Fuck me. Alright, impulse, alright, an impulse candle on gold. Chop City today, you guys. Chop City. Sells after close. You could be in on a small sell over here, buddy, to test this out, and then you're expecting price to do this, just like you were expecting it to do it here, right? My recommendation would be just don't trade gold. Don't trade anything right now. There's nothing that's going on. I personally don't see anything that's tradable in these markets right now. Literally, nothing is tradable. Everything is just the stop loss hunts. So if you get in on the sells, they're hitting your stop loss. If you're getting on the buys, they're hitting your stop loss. That's all that they're doing, alright? So these are stop loss hunts. Okay, and even gold could do just that. We have about 3 minutes to go. Gold could come back down, and trust me when I say this, it couldn't even close here, and it'll probably just become a green candle and push back up there. I'm not even kidding about that. So please, y'all need to know the kind of markets that you'll need to stay away from, and this is a prime example of that. Okay, stay away from these markets. It's not worth it. Just be stressing yourself out, hurting your account, and hurting your mentality as a trader. It's not worth it. Okay, mid-week trading is the best. It's always good to identify a choppy Friday and stay away, and that's I am a little sick today, which is why I didn't trade, but I also identified choppy markets today, which is why I most certainly didn't want to trade. You know, I've had a very, very successful week. My account is up by about 3.5% this week, and I'm extremely happy with it. Okay, 3.5% for me in a week is a solid week. Alright, so I have no reason to trade today. You know what I'm saying? And I'm glad I took that decision. I'm on Nasdaq with a Corolla. Good. Did you get in here? Did you get in there? Mills? Push, Habibi. Let's do it. Let's do it. Did you get in at the liquidity grab, or did you get in at the break of the highs? Please tell me you got in here, bro. Because then you'd be in a nice little move right now. Look at US 30, man. They're just already at BE. Okay. Alright. I like the gold sells. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. Guys, I'm also going to call it a session soon. Let's wait for 1 minute. Let's see how this new candle opens up. Let's see if we want to get a move. But gold's looking good. US 30 is looking really good. Finally. I want them to break below, make that supply, have the retest and push. Okay. But if they don't break below here, it's going to look hard. Okay, 30 seconds to go. Gold is volumized, very volumized. Come on. All right, they're not closing down again. They're not doing it, okay? But what is the scenario that we could expect now? This retest, reject. This would be your break, all right, and that should be your break of structure entry when you break these wicks and all of this traffic to the left. Okay, that should be your entry in. Okay, respected the retest. I like that. Come on, test it out. They haven't touched the retest as yet, so expect it to. Okay, retest, rejection. This again, with this perfect rejection, the same thing that I told you guys today, my advanced traders, one-on-ones. This is a perfect rejection, right? Where your Lambo entry should have been here, so that you give yourself a chance to make money on the wick fill, which is 40 pips, and not on this, which would probably give you like 5 or 10 pips. You know what I mean? Because if you guys got in on that, it's identifying these perfect setups, man. All right, if I was trading today, that's where my Lambo would have been, not my Corolla. That's where my Lambo would have been, and I would have fucking banked 40 pips up here. Beautiful. Did anyone get in on this? It's perfect. It's perfect. And that's the thing, right? You don't even care if it's gonna create a lower low, because if you get in on a setup like this, you're basically just selling the wick fill. That's it. You know what? Oh my good lord, guys! I'm shutting the indices off. Mills, are you making some money on this, or did you get stopped out? What's happening? Out at BE? Okay. Don't buy this market. Don't buy this market. Okay, and I love this break of structure down here. I really do. But they just don't have the volume to do it right now, you guys. They don't have the volume to do it. 5K on gold. Congratulations, man. Okay, now this is what I mean, right? If we would have used that retest rejection that we caught, and we wouldn't care if they created a lower low, but you would have still made your 30 pips. The move was 39 pips, and all you'd be looking for is your 10 or 20 pips. You know what I'm saying? So listen, one-on-ones, you guys, with the thing that I just spoke about today, if y'all have any questions about that, make sure you guys bring it up on our next session, okay? Because I usually save this for the end of the course with the 5 sessions, because it is a little more complex, it is a little more sort of advanced. But if you guys have spent your time in these markets, and if you've already been using the entry exit strategy, it'll make perfect sense to you guys now. Okay, so bring it up on the one-on-ones, and we'll make it happen. Okay, guys, listen, 33 people here. We started the call with about 50, 55 people, down to 32, 33 because slow session. Cram had less energy. I get that. It's all good, right? But the 32 people that are here right now, go ahead and post up some success stories for us, okay? It doesn't matter if you guys have made some money. It doesn't matter if you guys have just, if it were paper trading, if it were live trading, as long as you picked up some value from this session, that calls for a success story. And I saw quite a few W's in the chat, so I know you guys have made some money here as well. Go ahead, alright? I wasn't trading today. I wasn't feeling well today. The only reason I came on was for you guys, alright? Because we've committed to the schedule, and we wanted to be here for you guys, and we didn't want to have a last minute cancellation, okay? So always remember, a little appreciation goes a really long way, alright guys? So please go ahead on success stories, get those pouring in, and we'll have the stream schedule up most likely by Sunday. Okay, so let's aim for a good week next week as well. This was a solid week today. My bad, this was a solid week, and it was lovely. All right, it was lovely. Lots of learning, lots of pips made, and just really good sessions. Okay, So get ready, gear up for next week. We're gonna have bangers next week as well. And yeah, enjoy the weekend, okay, guys? Trust me when I say this. One-on-ones is for you guys. Stay away from the markets on the weekends. When I say stay away from the markets, I don't mean by trading, but I mean literally. You don't need to look at TradingView. And yes, thank you, Milzon. Thank you for reminding me to say that to the crew. But yeah, no more time limit on MFF. Okay? Does that really make a difference? In my opinion, it really doesn't. But yeah, for a lot of people, I feel like psychologically it's going to help a lot of the newer traders without the time limit, right? For me, and even for cash, for us, it's kind of the opposite. You know, we work well under pressure. So the time limit, at least for me, it was a good thing. You know, but I understand where the newer traders are coming from. But can you do a little piece for Kurt to chop up? Bro, I'll do it separately. I don't have the camera on today because I have it in a freaking shot, man. But I'll do it. Don't worry. I'll do it. I'll shot and get it done for Kurt to edit. Okay, I'll do it in the next hour or so. But yeah, all right, guys. So no more time limit, which means y'all can be trading at your own pace now. I mean this. Y'all don't need to be looking for 1, 2, 3% a day. Y'all can literally be looking for 0.25% because now there's no 30-day time limit. Trade for 60 days, trade for 100 days, trade for 200, trade for 365, do whatever you'd like. Yeah, but just make your pips slow and steady, and don't sort of put a timeline on yourself. Okay, even for the people on the one-on-ones, I tell them that everyone's journey is unique, everyone's journey is different. All right, so you guys wanna embrace your journey and just do what you do best. Okay, take time with it, go slow. Trust me when I say this. No one has any reason to be trading big with this time limit rule gone anymore. Okay? It used to be an issue first because a lot of people, they'd be in drawdown and then they'd have 2, 3, 4 days to complete it, and then they'd go even crazier and then they'd lose their account and all of that good stuff. So yes, those things have moved to the side now. But again, at the end of the day, it's your style of trading that's going to make you clear these challenges. Okay? So take it easy, breathe with it, embrace your journey, and it's all gonna start to align up for you guys. Okay, and it just makes us so happy. Literally, guys, literally every single day I have a minimum of one person. It's been a month now, babe. I think literally a month, a streak of a month, where every single day I Cash or me, we get at least one message of someone telling us we've either cleared phase 1, we've either cleared phase 2 and become live traders, or my account is up by 100%. There was someone that grew their account by 100. It was a small account, and it's really hard to do on a small account. But it was a $30 account, and within a week they grew their account by 133%. Now that to me is unreal. Within a week, growing a $30 account to 133% is insane. All right. Um, did you have a losing streak with this buddy? We don't use a strategy. Please don't use that word, because what we do here is not a strategy. We're just trading price action, man. And we're not like these other streamers or traders where we're predicting the markets for buys and sells. We trade price action, which is why we're ready for buys and sells. Losses are there in every single game. There's no streak of losses. There's nothing of that sort because we're price action traders, right? If a trade goes against us, we use the right risk management to minimize our losses and get out of the trade and start looking the other way, because we're not predicting these markets. We're literally trading price action. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. Okay, let the success stories posted in, guys. Get those success stories posted in the server, all right? And I will see you guys most likely on Tuesday. I'm not sure if we're going to do the streams on Monday. But we'll check it out. We'll see what the schedule's like. We'll keep you guys updated, and we'll let you all know. All right. Thank you so much. This was a lovely session. Thank you for having a great week with us here at Forex. I will see you guys soon. And any questions you'll have, anything of that sort, make sure to go ahead and post it up on open chat. And we've got a brilliant community, our army of millionaires, and they're all willing to be there and help you guys. All right. So thank you all so much. Have a great rest of the weekend. Have a great rest of the day, night, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'm Kram, my partner's Cash and Milzon, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Take it easy. Have a good weekend. Bye. Cheers.